it's Olivia, and this is my first video. I just want to give a huge shout out to Lennox Pena 5. Let's get started. So today I got a new hair product from Amazon. Just came here. This bad boy. So we're gonna get started with that later. Yeah, stay tuned. I need to take a shower, obviously, to use it. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm out of the shower. All done with that. I lied. I got the wrong package out. It's this one. So we're about to open this soon. I do need to dry my hair good, so I'm brushing my hair right now. Yeah, about to unbox it. And I'm going to show you, I got this cute little pill organizer. So cute. But yeah, let's get into unboxing. I got a 5-in-1 set. So, yeah. Bro, this is so hard to open. Wow. Ooh la la! This is so cool. So, this is like the thing that you like put all the attachments on. We're going to be using the air curler. So, yeah. And it comes with a glove. I need to move everything out of the way. We're going to be using the air curler. So, I don't know which is which. I'm going to start setting this thing up. Yeah. Okay. I just put the attachments on. I do need to dry my hair more. So, yeah. Now we section. Okay, this is the first section. I think it's too little. You always want to use heat protectant. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. Okay. Yum. It actually works. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm done doing the bottom layer. Okay guys, I lied. I'm not gonna get back with you when I'm done with this layer. I'm gonna try out the brush because I feel like I don't really have control over it. And I think this will be better when I have longer hair. So yeah, I'm gonna switch it out for the brush. Okay, I just finished with the bottom layer. It's just frizzy. That's like my only problem. But I think that it would be good. I'm going to start up on the top layer. And I might try out the straightening brush, but I don't know. It's just so frizzy. That's what I hate about it. And I really don't want my hair frizzy. But I'm going to try out the top layer, and I'll show y'all what it looks like afterwards. Okay, this is my hair fully dry. I mean, it's a little wet. I mean, it's not, but like, yeah. So, it's okay. I think I just have to use it a different way, but I'm going to have my hair in a ponytail until it settles down because it's so frizzy right now. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more. If y'all have any like video ideas, or just put them down in the comment section. And thank you so much. Bye.